Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 150 milliliters of milk. Also, have 100 grams of sugar ready. Make sure your springform pan is about 20 centimeters in diameter for the best results. This simple list ensures a delicious outcome. Now, let's prepare the biscuit base. Place your digestive biscuits into a large Ziploc bag and crush them using a rolling pin. Aim for small, uneven pieces, not a fine powder, as this adds texture. Next, melt 100 grams of unsalted butter. Once melted, pour it over the crushed biscuits along with 50 grams of cocoa powder. Mix everything thoroughly until the biscuits are evenly coated. With your biscuit mixture ready, it's time to assemble the cake. Transfer the entire mixture into your 20-centimeter springform pan. Use the back of a spoon or your hands to press the mixture down firmly and evenly across the bottom. This creates a solid base for your cake. Once pressed, place the pan in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 2 hours. This crucial step helps the cake set perfectly. After chilling, your biscuit cake is ready for its finishing touches. You can drizzle it with a simple chocolate ganache, sprinkle some chocolate shavings, or even add fresh berries for a pop of color. Carefully remove the cake from the springform pan. For the best flavor and texture, let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before slicing. Enjoy your homemade biscuit cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.